Greetings everyone and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to fix laggy footage from your camera on your PC. The reason for that is because you recorded in HEVC, which your PC does not support. What you want to do is convert from HEVC to H.264. As you can see, the footage is all corrupted, and well, it's not corrupted, it's just my PC could not read it. It's all messed up. You can't edit that. So we're gonna convert using VLC Media Player. This method is gonna take a while. Keep that in mind, and it will not work on all videos. It failed on some videos. So go to Media and then convert and save, and then add the laggy footage. After that, go to that arrow and hit convert, and then choose the profile. I chose the first one, and you're gonna choose where to save the converted file, and then hit start. That blue bar will fill up, and after the conversion is successful, that blue bar will disappear. If it doesn't disappear, I waited for a long time and it just couldn't disappear on some videos. So yeah, we'll check the same file if it's gonna show properly. In this case, it was the first one. It's gonna take a little bit because I am running an oldie PC. It's 9 years old. The only upgrade I did on this one was an SSD. Okay, so we'll drag it down. As you can already see, the white one, the white image, that was just my hand. I did check the footage and actually displays properly. As you can see, I'm just scrolling and it keeps on showing. Excuse that. Come on, buddy, you don't want that. Alright, cool. But if I scroll to the old HEVC file, you're gonna see that it's all messed up. Movavi does not support this codec, and my PC is too slow to process it. But this is it. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and see you in the next one.